Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create membership on Wix sites. So for this, I am here on the dashboard of Wix, not an editor website. This is a dashboard. Now here in the left side, scroll down and go to settings. Once you are on settings, so there you need to scroll down. So as you scroll, there we have site member settings. Click on it. Again, scroll down and there we have member roles. So if you want to add a member privacy, you can go with this. If you want sign up or login security, you can go with this one. But if you want like membership for your website, so you can go with member roles. Click on manage roles. So here it will take few seconds and then just click on set permissions and then click on create a new role. So there we have pricing plans. You can add your pricing plan, and in this way you can set member settings on Wix. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.